Peninsula for a look at our forecast.
All right, we get started today and we have a little difference in this forecast. Instead of everything being so icky, sticky, humid, it's just going to be a little bit more hot over the next week or so. And I do think what that's going to do is help to maybe make things a little bit more tolerable out there compared to what it's been like for most of August. But remember, it's still August, so it's still going to be hot and it's still going to be a little humid, just not like it's been. I think a lot of our temperatures are likely still going to climb into the lower, maybe even the middle 90s today, and warmer than that over the next few days. So those temperatures are still going to be up there. We count on the showers to help cool things down. When we remove a little bit more of the humidity, it makes it a little harder for the showers to do their thing. Now, there's been a little bit of activity moving to the east, and I still think we're going to find at least some showers in spots to the south and east, but we could even find a few more in spots this afternoon. So the rain chances are not done. The humidity is just going to come down a little tiny bit over the next couple of days, and hopefully that means it feels a little less uncomfortable outside. 72 this morning in Thomasville, right where it's supposed to be at this point in August. It's 75 in Valdosta, it's 76 in Tallahassee, and we're still showing those dew point numbers in the 70s. So yeah, it's still humid enough out there this morning. But take a look up in Blakely, Georgia, where it's just 66 degrees. That's where some of that drier air is. Dothan, Alabama was in the upper 60s for a little while this morning, now at 70. And more of that kind of drier air should start to filter in a little bit towards the south and east. And when it does, hopefully that makes it feel a little less icky, sticky, gross outside. But remember, it's still going to feel like it should at this point in the year, and that means it's still going to get hot over the next few afternoons. I don't see a lot of wind out there. The breeze today will be mostly from the west and southwest. So far, so good with the visibility numbers, all better than 7 miles, so no real concerns there. A lot of the best chances for the most showers are going to be pushing down towards more of the Florida Peninsula. And I think our rain chances, while they're not going to be zero, they're going to be a bit lower than they've been for the past couple of days. So I'm not expecting as much activity on radar, but I think we could find some, especially to the south and to the east. Now, out across the tropics, the story is really going to be what's developing way out across the Atlantic. Are these pieces of energy turning into something more organized? And they've got pretty good opportunities over the next week or so for that to happen. I still don't think these are going to be anything that impacts our forecast anytime soon, if ever, but we'll keep our eyes on it. On the Gulf today, winds out of the southwest 5 to 15 and seas 1 to 3 feet. We'll put a light chop in the protected waters. I've got the rain chances like 40 or 30% for this morning into the afternoon, clearing seasonably hot. Those temperatures probably still going to make it into the lower and mid 90s. Tonight it will be a little less muggy, and hopefully we can find a few more upper 60s. Notice those afternoon temperatures. They are still going to be hot heading into the upcoming week.